we divide 676 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 6 and it is 26. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 676 divided by 5 is 135 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.